How to change age in Clash Royale. Accidentally entered the wrong age in Clash Royale? Here's a safe way to fix it. So, Supercell locks age settings for safety and privacy reasons. You won't find an option in settings to edit it. So, to correct your age, go ahead and click on this burger icon, which you'll basically find at the top right of your screen. Select settings and then select help and support. And that will take you into this screen. So click on contact us onto this page and then explain the mistake clearly. Supercell may request proof like parental consent or ID depending on your situation. If support can't change your age, the only option is to create a new Supercell ID with the correct age. Always use your real age when creating accounts. Fake info can lead to restrictions or suspension. Bottom line, you cannot change age directly in Clash Royale. The safe way is through Supercell support. Now, if you can't change your age, you can just basically create a new Supercell ID, and that is how you can basically change age in Clash Royale.